There's one thing you can't do enough of in Knoxville, Tennessee, that's fishing, specifically bass fishing. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the best bass fishing spots in Knoxville, Tennessee, and we're going to get started right. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to All Things Knoxville with me, Ben Barredo, your local real estate pro and relocation expert for East Tennessee. Before we jump into this video, as always, I want to remind you I make videos like this every week, so please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share this content with someone close to you. Also, I love making YouTube videos. It's a lot of fun, but it doesn't pay the bills. So if you're interested in buying, selling, or investing in real estate, give me a call. No matter where you are in this country, I help people across this country every day, whether it's with advice, with the process, or actually being their represented agent. I'd love to help you too. Just give me a call. My contact information is right here. It's also in the description. Now let's jump into this video. Knoxville's access to a multitude of lakes and its mild climate produce fishing that's impressing anglers from all around the country and the world. Even elite anglers recognize our area as a top fishing destination. With the Bassmasters Elite Series that happened in Cherokee Lake in 2017, less than an hour from downtown Knoxville. This event returned to Knoxville this past February 2021. And if you explore enough to get to know what our lakes have to offer, we're pretty sure you'll get hooked on our city too. Here are a few spots some of our top local guides don't want you to miss. First is Melton Hill Lake. Locals name this lake one of their favorite because of its crystal clear waters and undeveloped lakeside. Cold super oxygenated water released from the bottom of Norris Dam create an ideal environment for a healthy population of bait fish. The flow from the dam allows the lake to act more like a slow-moving river, which helps keep the fish population moving and available. With just a short half-hour drive from downtown Knoxville, you'll have plenty of time to soak in the natural landscape as well. Next is Fort Loudon Lake. Fort Loudoun is a world-renowned lake which hosts the 49th annual Bassmasters Classic in 2019. From small groups of local to large organized competitions, the social element of fishing thrives at this lake. With a main channel that flows out a couple miles per hour, you find crazy amounts of bait fish migrating through its waters in the fall and in the spring. And the banks of Fort Loudon Lake have a gentle slope, and the variety of structures such as docks and trees offer great spawning and fishing habitats. Grab your buddies and join in the classic Knoxville fun. Next we got Cherokee Lake. Here you'll find a great smallmouth, largemouth fishery where the average fisherman usually has luck landing a decent sized catch. Being part of a river system, the lake's water's level changes throughout the year, presenting different opportunities and fishing styles for different people. When the water is down, the exposed rock points make great places to scout out fish. And when the water is high, the flooded trees and vegetation make great places for fish and fishermen to hang out. Cherokee is stocked with striped bass, and there's never a shortage there. Stick around long enough, you might see some that are up to 40 or 50 pounds. Next, we got Douglas Lake. Just southeast of Cherokee Lake, you'll find Douglas, another large, well-known lake. Douglas Lake fishes a lot like Cherokee with its rocky outcrops and shallow flats. Massive creeks feed into Douglas, carving the lay of the land and the water. With a plethora of secondary points within the many coves, it makes an outstanding fishery for the Bassmasters Open, which is hosted there every year. Before I give you the last and best fishing hole, I want to tell you about my last video with a new construction tip. And in it, I answer the question on whether or not you need an agent to buy new construction. Just click right here or follow the link in the description for that video and much more. But before you go, wait until the last tip. Norris Lake is the last place I want to tell you about. If you want to mix things up a bit, you'll find fantastic smallmouth fishing in Knoxville's three rivers. The French Broad River, the Holston River come together just east of town to form the Tennessee River. With boat access at Governor's Ted McWhorter Riverside Landing Park, the confluence near the forks of the river wildlife management area is easily accessible. At certain times of the year, this special spot is the crossroads of species coming from the French Broad River and the Holston. If you have time, a great option to put in at Holston River Park and float down to Ned McWater on this stretch. You could find a mixture of largemouth, smallmouth, and spotted bass. With access to 7 lakes within an hour's drive, plus great river fishing, Knoxville is a natural fit for anglers seeking quality fishing in a variety of locations. And since Tennessee has a unique climate that allows for the overlap of typically northern or southern fish, we are home to more freshwater species of game fish than any other state in the nation. You may come for the bass fishing, but you can't help but discover the amazing variety of our healthy lake produce. Listen, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got something out of it, and I hope to see you here on one of our many lakes soon with a fishing pole in hand. Thanks so much for stopping by. Have a great day.